Priceline Review. Usage Experience. Priceline is a well-known travel platform designed for budget-conscious travelers looking to book flights, hotels, and car rentals at competitive prices. The standout feature is its express deals and name-your-own-price options, which offer significant discounts if you're flexible with some details. The platform is ideal for frequent travelers who prioritize cost savings over customization, but it's also a great tool for spontaneous trip planners. Signing up is quick, and the user interface is straightforward, with filters to refine your search by price, rating, or amenities. In my experience, Priceline's hotel booking system shines the most. The Express Deals feature allows you to book highly rated accommodations at steep discounts, though the catch is you don't know the exact property until after booking. If you're okay with surprises, this can save you up to 50% compared to standard rates. Flights are competitive but less flexible, and while the deals are decent, I found better flight prices on niche airfare platforms. For car rentals, the pricing is reliable, and the pickup process is generally smooth, especially with major providers like Hertz or Enterprise. One area for improvement is customer service. It's entirely digital first, meaning resolving issues can feel slow if you run into problems. The cancellation and refund policies also vary depending on the specific deal, so you need to read the fine print carefully. While the app is user-friendly, the lack of clarity on some hidden fees, like resort fees for hotels, can be frustrating. Overall, Priceline excels for budget travelers who value affordability and can adapt to minor uncertainties. If you're someone who needs full transparency or wants personalized service, this might not be your best option. However, for quick, cost-effective bookings, it's a reliable platform that delivers on its promise of savings. Use it strategically for last-minute hotel stays and car rentals to maximize its potential. For flights, compare prices with other platforms before committing. That's my honest take on Priceline, an excellent choice for savvy, flexible travelers.